Hello and welcome to Pro Setups. When you subscribe to Pro Setups, you get access to 4 indicators. Pro Setups, which is our flagship indicator, a volume indicator, a financials on charts indicator, and a screener indicator. The screener indicator only works for those who have a premium account with TradingView. In this video, we will give you a quick overview of our Pro Setups indicator. This indicator can be used by swing and positional traders, including fundamental investors who wish to combine technicals to their process. Just note that this indicator is not made for intraday trading. The idea is simple. Whatever you scan on the Pro Setups dashboard, you can see the same on your charts with the Pro Setups indicator. Let's start with what you see on your charts when you first put this indicator on TradingView. Half the battle is just identifying the trend. That's why we put trend bars right at the top. Green represents uptrends, red for downtrends, and yellow signifies signs of changing trend. On weekly charts, both the trend bars represent weekly timeframe trends. On daily charts, it's even smarter. The top bar shows the weekly trend, while the lower bar shows the daily trend, giving you instant multi-timeframe context. Then we have moving averages clouds represented by blue and red clouds or bands. Instead of showing each EMA separately, we have turned them into clouds or bands. Blue cloud is a combination of multiple EMAs on shorter time duration, whereas the red cloud is the combination of multiple EMAs on longer time duration. Guppy called blue EMAs as traders and red EMAs as investors. Since the blue cloud use shorter period EMAs, they are also faster to react to change in prices. On the other hand, since the red cloud uses longer period EMAs, it reacts slower than the blue cloud. Hence, the blue cloud is the first to compress and expand as well. When the blue cloud compresses, we get blue dots at the bottom of the chart. For swing traders, that's a signal that the stock is building up for a potential move. Then comes the 50 EMA. If it is rising, it shows in green. If it is falling, it shows in red. This is a simple but a very effective filter to boost profitability by trading only the rising ones. Now let's talk about fresh institutional volume or IV. When strong buying comes in after a pause, the indicator marks it with horizontal lines. It can be a fresh bull's knot, a fresh pocket pivot volume candle, or whatever way you define an institutional volume, but it must be fresh. The horizontal lines at the high and close of the IV bar marks areas of institutional interest. The relative strength line helps us see how a stock is performing compared to an index, like the Nifty 500. By default, Nifty 500 is selected in the indicator, but you can change the index to your liking, like Nifty 50, Sensex, or sectoral index such as Bank Nifty from the settings. Green dots on the RS line mean it is hitting new 21-day highs, often before the price does. The 21-day period can be changed from the settings. We all know about resistance lines and the basics of breakouts, but breaking down resistance into low cheat, and swing high setups is where the real edge comes in. Pro Setups indicator automatically draws these resistance lines and categorizes them as low cheat, and swing high setups. TTM squeeze shows green dots when Bollinger Bands enter Keltner channels, flagging low volatility builds ready to explode. Spot key candlestick patterns like mini coils, bullish and bearish engulfing, pin bars, and inside bars for precise entries. Finally, the commentary box delivers quick stats. It gives you a quick green light on key rules like whether the price is above the 200 EMA, or if the 50 EMA is rising, how far is the current price from the 52-week high, etc. So this was the brief overview of the Pro Setups indicator. Next up, we have volume indicator and financials on charts indicators. Do check out their videos as well. The links are in the description below. Head over to prosetups.com to get access to the indicator, the dashboard, and our Telegram community. Happy trading!